Our next topic we have is notes. So clicking on notes will show us all the notes that a care manager or a practitioner has added for this patient. As you can see, we have the created date, then we have the actual note, and then we have created by. If we'd like to add an additional note to the patient profile, we can simply click Add Note, and then here we can choose an option which is basically like a quick reason or overview of what the note is about. We can click Close, then we can type the note in here, and then we would click Add Note. Quick notes to go back to the notes. As you can see, by scrolling, we can see all of the notes that were created, what the note was, and created by. Simply click the lines to go back